Good morning, class. Today we're going to do Pink Series with the farm work. Now, Pink Series is 3-letter words that we can read and spell. So let me turn it so we can see better. I can learn about farm animals, the farm, a work about nouns. So a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. And we're going to do farm animals together. Okay, so our first one is pig, p-ig. And we're going to use our movable alphabet today. I have organized our words so you don't have to watch me hunt for them. So we're going to spell and read them together. This way. P-ig. Let's get the g up. And read it together. P-ig. Pig. Now we're going to move over to our cow. It's our cow. 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 I'll move him over so we have room for the next one. This one is our dog. Dog. So we have dog. And we're going to move over to our duck. Duck. Now C and K together make a really strong k sound. I'm going to put that down. Duck. Duck. Now we're going to come over to our lamb. So we have our little baby sheep here, or our lamb. I'll put that back up. This is a blend. And we have a B at the end. We call this silent B because we can't really hear it when we say lamb. So we'll put it up. Lamb. Lamb. Now we're going to do another set of animals. Our next one is our rabbit. And here is our word rabbit. Push this down just a little bit. We have a strong T sound at the end. Rabbit. Now rabbit is 2 syllables. Rabbit. Our next word is goose. We see a lot of geese outside in the spring. A goose is just one. 2 O's can go ooh. Goose. Goose. And we're going to do another 1 or 2. So over here we have a horse. And we're going to have to move those letters over so we have room. Horse. And we have our last one, which is our sheep. And it is a blend at the beginning. Sh. E. P.